Good morning everybody and welcome to the capital city of Albania, Tirana.
We are here for just one day, so we're going to take you around and show you hopefully some of the best bits that you can see in Tirana in that time. We're here in Skanderbeg Square, right in the centre of Tirana, and we're surrounded by a lot of the cool locations here that you can see. We've got the clock tower behind us over there, the mosque, the National History Museum is over there. Just a cool place to come and hang out and yeah, enjoy Tirana from.
From Skanderbeg Square, we headed over to the clock tower and climbed up the winding staircase for some beautiful views out over the city. From here we could also appreciate just how large the main square was.
Close to Skanderbeg Square is a museum called Bunk Art 2. It's housed in an old communist bunker that was built to shelter elite police and ministry staff in case of nuclear attack.
The museum opened in 2016 and houses photographs, equipment and films alongside detailed information on the persecution of thousands of Albanians between 1945 and 1991. If you're looking to learn more about this period of Albania's past, then it's a must-visit location in Tirana.
Tirana is also a very walkable city. Apart from the cable car, which we're going to a little bit later, the entire centre is just really easy to get around on foot. You don't really need to go on public transport at all. It's all very close together.
After a quick stop to look inside the impressive Resurrection of Christ Orthodox Cathedral, we headed over to Pazari Iri, a large outdoor market surrounded by colourful buildings and traditional restaurants.
After browsing the market, we stopped to eat some delicious Albanian food in the beautiful garden at all the restaurants nearby.
You can also wander just out of the city to the Grand Park of Tirana to escape the city noise a little bit.
And hopefully the heat as well.
Yeah.
It's super hot right now. Need a bit of a shade, I
It's
think.
definitely 30 plus degrees and shade would be very welcome. They have a really big, massive lake here. So we're going to go up there, chill for a little bit and just enjoy being out in the nature in the middle of the city.
Oh, stepping into the shade is so nice. Oh.
Two other spots to check out are the Tanner's Bridge, an 18th century stone bridge used by farmers to bring livestock into the city, and the Namazka Mosque, which towers over the streets of Tirana.
So the best way to finish your trip around Tirana is to take the cable car all the way to the top, and hopefully we'll have a beautiful view over the city.
It's super easy to get here from the city centre. You just have to get to this location and take the blue bus, which is marked I think like L11. Takes you all the way to pretty much where the cable car is. You just have to walk a little bit uphill when you get off, but the people are really friendly and helpful. They'll tell you exactly when to get off. Now we're going up. It's about a 15-minute cable car ride all the way to the top. Lots of different activities.
We can check out the chicken.
One thing is for sure, it is a lot cooler up here, which is very nice.
It's nice to come up here to be fair, just be away from that heat. However, the views, it's a little bit hazy out there, so you can't really see much of the city, unfortunately. I'm sure if you come here maybe early in the morning when the sun is behind the hills, then you might be able to see the city a bit better. Unfortunately, we can't wait for too long because the last cable car goes down at 6:30, and I don't think the sun will set before that. Otherwise, you have to hike down in the dark, which we want to avoid.
I think come here as early as possible, basically. Take the first cable car up, you're probably going to get the best views.
I mean, depending on the season as well. We're here in the height of summer.
But overall, definitely a worthwhile thing to do. I'm sure the views, when it's not hazy, are spectacular. So that brings the Tirana part of our Albania road trip to a close. We are heading down to Berat tomorrow, which is supposed to be a really nice sort of traditional Albanian town.
Yeah, can't wait for that.
Tirana, really pretty city. One day here I think is absolutely enough. Like, we packed in everything in a day and it didn't feel like super rushed.
No.
Very walkable, like we didn't have to take public transport at all, which was great, other than to get to the cable car. So we'll catch up with you when we get to Berat.